What's up, guys? Ew. Okay. Hi, guys. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. It's me again. Hi. So, today's video is going to be a get ready with me. Hold on, let me scooch back. Yeah. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, as you can tell from the title. Truthfully, I'm not getting ready for anything. I just had a snow day at school because it was freezing rain. So they canceled classes and closed the campuses. Yeah. So I just wanted to film a video, and I had no other ideas except to sit down and get ready and just talk to you guys. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go. Let's boogie. Oh, okay. Actually, I'm going to do my brows and then be right back because, like I've said before, I have no idea what I'm doing with my brows, so it's not going to be a tutorial. I'm just going to do them and be right back. Did the brows. Not a really good brow day, so just please ignore them. Honestly, just ignore them. It's fine. I did prime my face off camera too. I just used the Cover FX blurring primer, like right here. And then I used the Hourglass Viel mineral primer everywhere. Now let's get to business. So we're gonna go in for the foundation. Can you guess what? Oh yeah, Armani Power fabric. Ew, I sounded like such a snob. That's so gross. But whatever, it's fine. I'm okay with it if you guys are. Anyways. So how you guys been? I know I posted a video like 2 days ago. But hi, how are you? Ew, there's a hair. I know it's random that like I'm filming a get ready with me and I don't have anywhere to go, but there's 3 reasons for filming this get ready with me with nowhere to go. 1, I needed content, and what better content to film when you don't have ideas than a get ready with me? Nothing. 2, I had 0 ideas, hence I needed content. And 3, because my school closed today and my class was canceled. Only one of them though. I still went to school today. Don't be fooled. So I had an 8 a.m. class. And my 8 a.m. classes go until 10:40. So I show up to school for 8 a.m., right? And 45 minutes in, after we have a quiz, my prof goes, so I want to go home. Does anybody else want to go home so they can get home before this ice storm gets really bad? And we all go, oh, well, of course. Except half of the class traveled over an hour this morning at 6 a.m. to get to school for 8 a.m. So we were all kind of like, why didn't you just cancel it at 8 a.m. and have us not come in at all? Because that would have made everyone's life a lot easier. But nope. She made us come in for 8 a.m., have a quiz, and then she let us all go home at 9 a.m. But it's funny because my prof for my second class canceled the class at 7:30 this morning. So that's all I have to say. Okay, so my foundation's on. I'm just gonna blend out a little bit more. So I'm gonna move on to concealer now, and for concealer I have something kind of fun. I have the new Fenty concealer that I'm gonna try. I didn't buy the powder because my bank account is hurting right now, just in general, and I didn't want to hurt it more with a $40 powder on top of a $32 concealer. So we're just going to try the concealer. I'll get the powder another time, don't worry, because I'm still gonna get it. I've heard amazing things from every single person. Literally every person who has reviewed the concealer and the powder say the powder is life-changing, so you know I have to get it. Oh god, I love a new concealer. Also, I didn't clean up my brows with it because I wanted to test it under my eyes first and on the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna go clean up my brows with it a little, if they even need it. Honestly, no, just scratch that. I'm not gonna do that. But let's go in. Okay, I'm gonna blend this out right now and then set it under my eyes immediately because I watched Thomas Halber's video of this and he said it dries really quick. Oh, this color is perfect for me. Well, I think it looks nice. Oh, he right though, it does dry pretty quickly. I think that looks stunning. Okay, hold on, let me set it. I think that looks beautiful. Okay, so the concealer thoughts at very first use. I really like it. It has good coverage. The color is really good that I picked out for me. Now I'm just gonna go over the rest of my face with the All Nighter translucent setting powder and lock this baby in place. I just got the brush in my eye. Oh god, this video is not going well. And the All Nighter setting spray to go with the powder. We're gonna move on to bronzer. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Chocolate Solei Bronzer. This is in the shade Medium. With this ColourPop brush. It's a ColourPop F1 brush. And just swirl her in there. Okay, oh fuck. I love that it smells like chocolate. I haven't used this in so long I forgot that it smelled like chocolate. Oops. Oh fuck. So, as I blend this out, I'm gonna talk to you guys. So what shows have you been watching lately? I have started rewatching Suits on Netflix. I am honestly obsessed with Suits. I've seen the entire series about 3 times. I'm on round 4 right now. And I honestly still haven't come to terms with the fact that Meghan Markle had to quit the show and then Mike had to quit the show. I know his name is not Mike in real life. I just don't know what his name is in real life. So I call him Mike. But he also quit the show. So I'm kind of just like mourning that and rewatching it a million times because it's such a good show. It makes me wish I had the brains and also the balls to be a corporate lawyer because wow. First of all, money baby, but the shit you get to do in that job, wow, seems pretty lit. Haha, you just got lit up. Okay, now I'm going in with the Kylie blush in the shade X-Rated. This is from her first launch of blushes. I haven't purchased any new blushes that she came out with because I'm honestly kind of skeptical. Like this one, I really like this one, but I've heard like people say that some shades just like aren't great of like the first launch, and I haven't heard much about the second launch. But we may just have to cave and like buy one anyways. I also really want to try the bronzers because my friend has a bronzer from the launch that she just came out with and she loves it and says it's like her favorite. So may have to cave, Kai. May have to cave. I'm gonna do some highlight now. Oh my god, my posture. I'm sorry, my back hurts so much. Okay, so I'm gonna take the also Kylie highlighter and cotton candy cream from the first launch as well. I really like this one too. I don't know, people like had complaints about like the first launch of highlights because apparently they weren't like pigmented enough, but I love it. Like, look at that. Like, what? Hi. The one that when I was buying them, the one that I actually really wanted was sold out, so I had to get cotton candy cream, but I'm kind of like not mad about it. So thanks to whoever bought the last one of like whatever shade I wanted to get last time. I'm not doing like full eyeshadow today. I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Too Faced Chocolate Solei Bronzer and put it just like in my crease just to give a little definition, because when I'm not doing like a full eyeshadow look, this is what I really like to do. Oh, I've never actually used these brushes before, but I really like this. Okay, I see you. I was thinking about trying out some of the Jeffree Star and Morphe brushes, but the Morphe shipping to Canada is kind of wild, and I don't know if I want to commit like that. All I have to do is mascara, because honestly I can't be bothered with strip lashes these days. I don't know why, I just really like I don't fuck with them anymore. I really just like a good mascara. I also I got eyelash extensions a while ago, and I absolutely love them. They're just so much upkeep, and it gets really expensive because if you have less than half of the set when you go for a refill, they make you pay for a full set. So you could go in there expecting to pay where the girl I go to, you could go in there expecting to pay $50 for a classic set and walk out paying $100 because you thought that you had enough lashes on your eyes, but she was like, no you don't. So it's just kind of frustrating with that in that sense. So I stopped getting them because I, for some reason, apparently sleep really weirdly, and I kept just losing so many lashes, so almost every time I went in I was having to pay for a new full set, and I was just this ain't it, chief. I can't keep paying almost $100 every 2 or 3 weeks for these lashes. Oh fuck. Okay, so since it's such a simple makeup look, I'm gonna use this NYX liquid suede cream lipstick in the shade Sandstorm. Yeah, that'll be nice. Jesus, I'm out of breath. Why am I out of breath? I literally just got up to get a lipstick. Oh, that's pretty. That is it for this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this makeup look. It's really simple. This is kind of what I do on the everyday when I wear makeup and I'm going out. So I guess it was a little bit of a get ready with me everyday makeup routine. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!